channel. Today's video is a sweat-proof makeup tutorial. I did a poll on my Instagram story seeing what video I should film, and sweat-proof makeup was the winner of the two that I posted. So yeah, also if you would like to follow me on social media, I'll have my handles right here for you guys. Also, it will be listed down below in the description box as well. And I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you would like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Guys, so the first step to this tutorial is to spray some Mario Badescu. This is the rose water, and typically I won't spray this unless I have super dry skin. So lately my skin has been super dry here. I don't know why my eczema is like going crazy in the summer, but it is. So I'm just super dry around the lips and the chin area, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of moisture. Alright, so the next step is to prime. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take two primers today. So I'm going to take this primer, which is the Benefit Professional, and just put that in my T-zone. And then secondly, I'm just going to take my Fenty primer and put that all around the rest of my face. Alright, so I'm the type of girl that likes to put my foundation on before my brows. I don't know why. It's just a habit. Sometimes I'll do my brows before my foundation. It just all depends on the mood. But today I'm feeling the foundation before the brows. So today I'm taking my Clinique Beyond Perfecting. It's a foundation and a concealer. This is like my holy grail for the summertime. And I'm in the shade 8, which is Golden Neutral. And just to let you guys know, this is more of a full coverage foundation. So if you're not wanting a full coverage, I recommend just using like a BB cream or something a little bit more lightweight. But because I have a lot of acne scars still, I'm going to use my Clinique Beyond Perfecting. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my LA Girl Beauty Sponge. So I just put on some like lip balm because my lips are super dry, and I just took off all my eyeshadow because I wasn't liking the way it was turning out. So I'm just gonna do a different eye look that's a little bit more simple for you guys, and it'll go great for the type of look that you guys will see towards the end. So I already primed my lids. I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and just take this color right here, the third color from the palette, and just set my entire eyelid. And for the transition color, I'm taking the color down below from the color that we just used and putting that in my crease. For our crease color, I'm actually going to go ahead and take my Anastasia bronzer in Rich Amber and actually put that on my crease. Right here, which is Flasher, and just putting that all over my eyelid. As for my highlight bone, I'm taking Lock and Loaded and Teddy Bear on top of that to layer those two to kind of make my highlight bone pop. Alright, so next I am taking my Urban Decay All Nighter in the color Medium Light Neutral. And this is how the packaging looks like. I really like this one for when I go out. It is a little bit more of a thicker consistency, but I do notice that it does stay on all night. Like, where I just concealed, I'm taking my Hourglass translucent powder. Just purchased this, but this stuff so far is bomb. Like, it makes my under eyes look very like airbrush, which I go ahead and take my Coastal Scents brush and just lightly pat it around the rest of my face. So I just put on lashes because my camera kept overheating, so I was just like, might as well just put on some lashes. So the ones that I used were from Eylure. These are the I cannot talk today. These are the Nicole Guerrero ones, and these are my favorite from the ones that she came out with, and these are the Faux Flawless Meek collection. So yeah, I love these ones. They're great for going out or even like natural. So yeah, so I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my face, and then we'll do the lip. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and I'm just going to take my 79 brush from Sephora. And then for my nose contour, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Morphe M164 angled brush. And then just going back with my Mario Badescu. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, so off camera, I did spray my face after I applied the setting powder, so I just went like that just so it can give it a little bit more moisture to my face, since it is a little bit more on the drier end right now. So yeah, I forgot to mention that to you guys. So anyways, I'm taking my Mario Badescu and taking my e.l.f. blending brush and just spritzing that. And I like to put it on the back of my hand like that to make sure it gets all over the brush, and then just go ahead and blend my contour all out. And then to bronze up my face a little bit more, I'm going back with that bronzer that I use for my crease and applying it on my cheekbones. And then to make it a clean line, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Makeup Revolution powder and my sponge and just kind of bake the cheekbones right here. I'm taking my Glow Kit from Anastasia, and I'm just actually going to take all the colors and mix them up and apply them all over my face. And for highlighter, for the brush that I'm using today is my Morphe M510 brush. So moving on back to the eyes, I'm just going to go ahead and take this color right here, which is Send Noodles, and blend that all on my bottom lash. today we are taking like an orangey color from the Khloe Kardashian collection with Kylie, and this is the color Doll, and it's this like fiery orange color right there, and I just think this color is bomb. Like, it's gorgeous. So that's the color that we're going to use today. So alright, so I'm first taking my Italia lip liner in the color Mango, and it's just this orangey color as well.